I usually share the beauty of Chinese music, our culture, and everyday life here. But over the past 2 days, my home in Jiangsu, eastern China, has looked like this. Typhoons of this scale are extremely rare in our area, especially in eastern China. So I had to show you what this historic storm really looked like. It felt as if nature had swallowed the streets of Jiangsu. No one expected the typhoon to be this powerful. Homes, garages, modern shopping malls was flooded. Watching the water level rise so quickly left everyone shocked. But what was the strangest part? Fish started swimming into people's living rooms and through the city streets. A storm this powerful inevitably caused serious damage, especially to local factories and businesses. The past 48 hours have been incredibly difficult. But even in the middle of all this chaos, people did not lose their spirit. From homemade boats to finding ways to have fun in the shallow water, some people even turned the flooding into a unique experience, catching fish at home and turning moments of helplessness into unforgettable memories. We sincerely thank the emergency workers who worked through the night to clear blocked drains and restore safety. The floodwater had already begun to recede. Today, as you walk through the streets, you can still feel that this city has just been through something extraordinary. Life goes on.